Hey guys, this is Patty again with another car. This car, oh man, I'm working on it since this morning. I think I start 8 o'clock, and right now is 1 o'clock, and I'm doing a couple things in this car. One is the alternator bracket. Let me go under the car, you can see it easily. You see, it's alternator bracket. It's BMW 2004 745. This is, I don't know if you're familiar with this or no. It's leaking oil very bad. And this is right there. You see, that's its small gasket, but removing that it's need like, I think the labor is 8 or 9 hours. It's a power steering pump. You need to remove the engine mount, and to access this bracket, it has a couple bolts. It's mounted like this. The face is this way, yeah, like this. Couple bolts, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 bolt. You need to remove 10 bolt to remove this bracket and put the gasket. And if you're struggling with this gasket to remove it, that's the best way. See, heat it up. That's it. So you need to heat it up to be able to remove it, otherwise it's hard. Yeah, I got the gasket from dealer. I'm gonna put it in and put it back. This is the engine mount, this is the alternator, and that's it. Engine mount, you need to put the jack under the car. You see there's 2 jack stands, and this one is my own car jack. I put the wood and piece of wood, just don't damage the engine pan, the oil pan. Just lift it up a little bit, make more space, and remove the engine mount. This is the fan. It's facing like this, but if you pay attention, this fan has this bracket, but this is flexible. You need to put something behind this right there, push it, it will break it, and you can remove it. Otherwise it will be stuck under the upper radiator hose. You can't remove it. You need to do this. It's easy. Tensioner, there's a couple of holes here, harness for cam sensor and whatever, and the power steering pump, you can remove it. There's a bolt behind the power steering, goes right there somewhere, and you need to remove that to be able to remove the power steering pump completely. Just put it down somewhere. I did drain the whole power steering reservoir, and because this reservoir was on my way, it was here, and I couldn't reach the engine mount. The engine mount, you need to have extension, long extension like this, and what they call the swivel, I think extension. Yeah, there's 2 bolts, one on the bottom, you see that's the engine mount bolt, and one on the top. You need to remove it from the side. You need to remove the wheel so you can access that bolt. It's easy.